be a number of games you are going to compete among yourself and compete among your friends in a friendly way. Are you ready to do them? There will be a lot of fun activities. For example, potato sack wrap. You know that?
Sorry.
You don't know? It's alright. You're going to play today. 3-leg race. You know that? Great, you know that. How come we have only 2 legs? Why are you saying there are 3 legs? That would be fun, right? Egg and spoon race. Tug of war. Yeah? What is that? You have to use all your strength to pull your friends away. Alright? It's not about fun only. It is also about friendship. You are going to make friends. Alright? With other students from other classes. And you are going to show your strength, your excitement. Alright, everybody? Are you excited? Remember? Respect your friends when you play. Alright? Yeah? You will be the winner today. You are the strongest. Alright? Wish you good luck.